Represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up. Represent, had to do it hella big, had to run it back again.
There.
They're gonna wave this one around. Yeah, they're way too hot coming down the front. Now this is gonna be the one that gets a little
dicey.
Yes.
So this is the LO206 Cadets. We got 5 drivers on the list here. Tyson Burkett,
the youngest group of drivers on the full track layout.
So Tyson Burkett in the 1-4 of Hunter Wilson, 23 of Brandon Rivers, 71 of Easton Bailey, and 78 of Alex Schomer.
Let's take
green flag.
Yep, here we are, underway. Actually, not bad. Normally, we're like 3 or 4 attempts at the starts on these guys.
I think they were just a little wound up there. Let's see if we can get a good shot of them coming down turn 2.
Turn 2 action here is they are already pretty much single file coming up the hill there.
Stop.
Pass for the lead there. Coming into the S's, can't see a Kart number.
According to our score sheet, that is Hunter Wilson, but
I think that's Brandon Rivers actually up front.
Yeah, until we actually get some data on the screen, we will hold off on our opinions. Right now, that is Alex Schomer in the lead right now, followed closely by Tyson Burkett, Hunter Wilson in 3rd, Easton Bailey in 4th, and Brandon Rivers rounding out your field of 5 right now.
Yeah, I got the juice like a snow cone. Ice in my veins and a cold flow. I'm getting cash overseas by the boatload. You wanna ride my wave? That's a no-go. Senorita's going loco. Make it bounce like a pogo. All my haters see rojo. They big mad cause they coming up short like.
Right now, Alex Schomer turning another quick lap. That's what that purple stripe means on the scoring screen. Anytime you see that, that is the current fastest lap of the race. But he is getting the shove from Tyson Burkett as they come through turns 3 and 4 down the back straightaway.
Activate the beast mode. I keep it hot, give your brain a heat stroke. You ain't a big shot, you some basic B-roll. The world is mine, like my name's Pacino. Hey, it's Nico, I guess I'm back. Catch me in the fast lane on the right track. And my shorty is a 10 like a dime bag. Got me feeling like a milli, check the price tag. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip-hop, ain't no time for piss stops. Got the party jumping like crisscross. Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip-hop, it's my style.
And as they come through the final turn, it's going to be 3 laps in. And look at that, Tyson Burkett getting the fast lap award.
Not by much.
Hogan and Colossal. Black trader black, she messiah to the misfits. Run circles, run these rappers to my shin splits. You a little late to the party, baby, I been lit. If you ain't on the friend list, you better mind your business. Ooh, got the party jumping like crisscross. Ooh, got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Ooh, pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip hop, ain't no time for pit stops. Ooh, got the party jumping like crisscross. Ooh, got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Ooh, pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip hop, it's my style.
There it goes again. Tyson Burkett with another flyer.
Looks like Burkett starting to set up Schomer for a potential pass here, entering the backstretch. He is right on his tail. Will he poke out and attempt the under-over here, entering the S's?
He's got to start making a move here at some point because he's going to have to feel out Schomer.
He's right on him.
I just need to know what's on your mind. You can call my name, I'll be alright. I just need to know what's on your mind. Just wanna pass on like, 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 just wanna pass on like.
Oh, a little bit of a bump
Still,
there.
yeah, getting a little bit of a bump draft. That's a hi, hello, I'm still back here. Don't forget about me.
I just need to know what's on your mind.
Down through the kink. Schomer still out ahead. I'd say he's probably got a quarter-second gap between him and Burkett. Burkett closing in here, entering the S's.
Let's see if he tries to do it. No, he didn't set himself up.
I just need to know what's on your mind.
I just wanna pass on like